Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to start an LLC in Texas. Firstly, you need to choose a name. Must end with limited liability company like LLC. It must be distinct from other registered businesses in Texas. For preliminary name availability, you can request a check via SOSD direct or email via phone. Secondly, a registered agent is a person or entity legally authorized to receive legal and official mail. You must be Texas resident, must have a physical street address, and must be available during business hours and have signed a Form 401A consenting to serve. Use Form 205 for an LLC, available via SOS Direct. Information required is LLC name, registered agent's name and address, whether it's member managed or manager managed. Optional, names and addresses of members if required. Filing fees is $300 for domestic LLC, $750 for foreign LLC. You can submit it online via SOS Direct or fax or email to the Secretary of State in Austin. If filed online, expect processing in about 10 to 15 business days. Mail filings take longer, 12 to 14 days expedited and up to 70 days if non-expedited. Once approved, you'll receive the official certificate of formation confirming your LLC's legal existence. Once done, you can obtain your EIN and necessary permits. EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS is usually needed. Get it for free instantly online. File regular reports or franchise tax filings to stay in good standing. If you change your registered agent, use Form 401 and pay the $15 fee. Keep records, hold member meetings if applicable, and update your operating agreement as needed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.